Hello everyone, in this video today I am going to show you how to add radio button in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Firstly open your PDF document, open. This is our PDF form and click tools option. Here you will find prepare from, click here, start, ok. Here you will find radio button icon, click here and draw a radio button. Control Alter and drag the radio button, copy same radio button and click properties. All of these radio button name will be same. Close. Okay, click preview. The radio button and click edit option, click properties. Here you can change radio button name, visible, hidden and click appearance. Okay, here you can change radio button field color, line thickness and line style, solid and font size, auto, radio button color. Here we'll choose red. An option here you can choose check, circle, cross, diamond, check, close, properties, cross, appearance. Okay, now click preview, check this radio button and click file option, save as. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.